Okay, this is where things get downright scary.
Today, I'm going to be giving this deck a grade to see if it needs to be demolished or not.
Cosmetically, it's not too bad except for these butt joints on the decking boards and these horrible miters. And the steps felt super steep, so I measured they were 10 inches when code is 7 3/4. And under the deck is where things got ridiculous with these floating supports, and then after pulling off the decking boards, you can see that the beam is just mounted to the sides of the post when code requires it to be directly bearing on it. And then that beam is cantilevered almost 4 feet to the end of the deck, and you might think it's attached to that post, but it's not. And speaking of cantilevers, the 2x8 joists were cantilevered out the end of the deck by almost 4 feet. And this joist spacing looks like we're all good with 16 inches on center, but move one joist bay over and we're over 22 inches. What is going on? And no hurricane ties or joist hangers connecting the joist to the beam. Here's an unsupported beam splice that should occur right over the post. And after knocking over these posts, there's no positive connection to the footer. And the deck joists were mostly 2x8s, except for a couple 2x6s that snuck in. This deck gets a grade of F. Let me know if you disagree.